Here we are looking at a level 2 trading screen and a candlestick chart for Apple recorded about 10 minutes before the market close on September the 10th, 2013, a Tuesday. This was a day in which Apple announced a new product release, iPhone 5C, intended for overseas markets. And I captured this because I thought that trading would be active in Apple during the day because of this product release, and it has been. While I discuss this, look especially at the level 2 trading queue on the bid and ask, because the point of this is to demonstrate to you how quickly these orders can flow on active trading days like this. If you look at the chart on the right, which shows the last 5 trading days for Apple, what has happened today is indicated in this region right through here. And so generally, the market has not accepted this news as especially good news for Apple. It does not seem to be very excited about it. Yesterday, the stock closed up considerably higher above the 500 range than it had closed the day before. This morning, when the market opened right around through here, for a while the stock was trading neutrally, and then after the announcement, the stock began to fall in value. It has not been a precipitous drop. As you can see, the stock is currently trading at 492, which is just below the level that it was trading earlier in the week. Now, when we go back and take a look at the level 2 trading screen, you can see that all of the exchanges and the major market makers are well represented, as indicated here in these columns by their market participant IDs. You can see how fast the limit order flow is coming into this level 2 apparatus. One thing you can plainly see is why when you trade in stocks like this on active days, that you would want to use a limit order rather than a market order. To make that point, simply look at the top of the bid queue for a few seconds while I discuss this and see how rapidly best bid, which is of course at the top of that queue, is changing over such a short period of time. Same thing on the ask queue. So it looks like Apple's going to trade down for the day. It looks like we have a lot of market participation, but the point of this primarily is to show you how active these stocks can get on heavy trading days and how the order flow just absolutely comes into the level 2 queue and the NBBO structure in general at a hectic pace. I'm going to let this run for a minute or so you can simply look at the bid-ask queue without my commentary to see what you make of it. All right, I'm going to sign this off now and post it so we can look at it in Economics 104.